In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail confidential mode for sensitive info. This is really useful when you need to send private details like financial information, personal documents, or anything you don't want people to forward, copy, or keep forever in their inbox. Let's start right inside Gmail. Once you're logged in, look for the Compose button, usually in the top left corner of your Gmail screen. Go ahead and click Compose to open a new email window. This is your regular email draft where you can type the recipient's email address, your subject line, and the body of your message. You can start writing your email now, or you can set up confidential mode first and then add your content. The order doesn't really matter, but it's often easier to write your message first so you know exactly what you're protecting. Now, in the new message window, look toward the bottom of the Compose box where all the small icons are, like the paperclip for attachments and the emoji icon. Among those, you'll see a small padlock icon with a clock on it. This is the button for confidential mode. Click that lock icon to open the confidential mode settings. A pop-up window will appear with a few options. Here's where you decide how protected you want your email to be. First, choose when the email should expire. Gmail lets you set an expiration period, such as 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or more. After that time, the recipient will no longer be able to view the contents of the email from their inbox. This helps limit how long your sensitive information is accessible. Next, you'll see an option related to passcodes or verification. Depending on the settings available, you may be able to require an additional verification step before the recipient can open the message. This adds another layer of security, especially if you're worried about someone else accessing their inbox. You'll also notice that confidential mode automatically restricts certain actions. Recipients won't be able to forward, copy, print, or download the contents of your email or its attachments. It's not a perfect substitute for encryption, but it does make it much harder for your information to spread beyond the person you intended. Once you've chosen your expiration date and security options, click Save. You'll be taken back to your email draft, and you should see a note indicating that confidential mode is now on, along with the expiration details. At this point, just review your message, double-check the recipient's email address, and then hit send. Your sensitive information is now shared with extra protection using Gmail confidential mode.